Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check for viruses on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So in order to check for viruses on your mobile device, you first need an app to do this. One I recommend is the AVG antivirus app. So in order to get the app, head over to your Play or App Store and then just type in AVG antivirus. And then click on AVG Antivirus and Security. Click on Install. Just give it a few moments to download and install. Alright, while that's installing, head back to your Settings app and then click on Apps, like that. Wait for it to load. And then here, just scroll down and check out all the apps that you have currently installed. If there's any that you don't recognize, just go ahead and remove that. Alright, now AVG Antivirus has been installed. Click into it. Click on Get Started. Click on Skip. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Alright, just click out of that. Click out. Alright. As it says here, this app is free to use for the support of personalized advertising. You can remove the ads by upgrading to any paid plan. So if you want the free version, just click on Continue with Ads. Or if you want to get the paid version, click on Upgrade. But for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with ads. And then click on Start Scan. Click on OK. Allow it. Head back. Alright, there you go. Scan progress 1%. So give it a few minutes to scan. Once your scan is complete, this page will appear and it will show you all the viruses and threats that are currently on your mobile device. To resolve these issues, click on Resolve and go through them one by one. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.